This is a repaired piece. I turned this bowl originally. I was just noticing a while ago, August of 2020, and it's a piece of ambrosia maple. And I noticed the other day, a week or so ago, I went by the shop and it had a big crack in the rim. And so I brought it home. This is actually about an inch shorter than what it was. Um, and the finish is a ton better than what it was. There's a shine to it now. There was no shine to it before. I'm not sure what my finish was. Probably just some oil, probably just one coat, one wiping of oil. But ambrosia maple, there are the ambrosia holes in it. You can see right there.
Uh-huh.
Um, I didn't try to fill those or anything. And it's got my original recess that I left in it on purpose, so I could return it if I ever needed to. And it turned out wonderfully. It's a whole lot thinner than what it was, and it's a lot shinier.